Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the AMT Hurst Hemi Under Glass Barracuda Funny Car that I'm going to start building. Here's our chassis. Here's our instructions. Here's our plastic drag slicks. I don't know if I'm going to use them because I have a pair of Race Master drag slicks. If they're pretty close to the same size, that's what I'm going to use instead of using the plastic ones. Alright, I assume this is part of the engine bay for the back of the car. Here's our radiator. And that's, I don't know, maybe a skid plate. Looks like maybe a grill insert of some sort. Here's our glass. There's not a lot of parts in it, I will say that. Here's our interior tub. Our dashboard, our seat. Here's our plastic front wheels. Don't know if I'm going to use those either. Our drag chute, our roll cage. Here's our front rear suspension, our engine. Our Mopar steering wheel. Here's our other front tire. Whoops, what is that piece laying there? Our distributor, it's got a really cool distributor. Look how nice that is. That's cool. Okay, I'll throw those bags away, they're empty. Here is our chrome with our grill, bumpers, tail lights, our velocity stacks, our air cleaner, our valve covers, oil pan, headers. What else? Here's the big foot for the gas thing. Here's our rims. Not real fan of those, but whatever. Let's see what else is in here. There's a shock. It fell off a tree. Here's our decals, our mint, our Hemi Under Glass. Can't wait to start building this kit. Biggest issue will be, what route do I want to go for wheels? I really don't want to use the plastic slicks. I just think they'll look tacky on there. And did this kit always come with plastic tires? Or is this a reissue and they just went with plastic? I mean, they're not horrible. I just not a fan. Spend a little extra money and throw some real tires in a kit. That's just my opinion. And then here's our body. I got our body painted already. I did that today while the humidity was not so bad. So I got the gold laid down. And I don't know if I'm going to do the top side black. I think I'm just going to leave mine all gold with the black decals. my version of it. So it's a retro deluxe, so it's obviously retooled original wheels. So it must have gleaming chrome parts. Yeah, okay. Vintage original boxing. I do like the vintage boxing. I just don't like those plastic wheels. So I have these slicks. I have a pair of those that are probably pretty close to the size. But I've got a pair of these. I got 4 of these Race Master slicks. They look like they're the same size, the same width. Yeah, should work good. The height looks the same. And the width looks the same. Plastic tire is a tad more wider, but I think if I go with these Race Masters that are a little bit skinnier, I think it'll look better. It'll fit better under the wheel well. If not, I'll go with these, the little bit harder plastic, because they are the same size. Again, a little bit skinnier, but it'll look so much nicer then. It looks so much nicer with a set of Race Masters on it. So, then I have to figure out what I want to do for the front wheels. I got a bunch of BF Goodrich Radio TAs. I could maybe go that route. But yeah, we're going to start this build. Could be maybe tomorrow or Thursday. So, hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.